Yo, yo, yo! Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to the catch-up. It's been a while. But, yeah, it's going down. Had to stop for a second. Because, guys, I'm in the Jag. I want to give you guys a Jaguar update. Today, it's official. We are taking the Jaguar in to get some exterior paint. Finally getting some exterior paint. So we're dropping it off at Mako. I'm gonna give you the whole story when I picked the car up on you know, kind of everything. But just so you guys know, we have done everything. We have done the transmission, we have done the new engine, we have done the brakes, the rotors, the shocks, we have done additional fuses, we have replaced all the spark plugs, I mean everything that you don't see, we've pretty much replaced. So she is driving like she should. I'll get you guys a total once I'm done with the paint job, and then I'm actually gonna get to see if I can get some work done on the inside. Little stuff, like there's little things missing, a couple things are broken. So I want to get that done, man. So I just wanted to give you guys the update that I'm dropping him off to Mako, and I'm really excited about it, man. It's been a long time coming. You know, as some of you guys remember, this is the vehicle that it was my first luxury car, but then this was the car I gave my dad because he loved it when I started buying all the cars. And so with that, you know, you're gonna take care of it, so let's you know, let's do it. And obviously he passed away in the midst of finishing, so I'm happy to be able to finish the restoration of this car. I do love this car. There's another one for me where it feels special to drive, right? So when I get into this car, it feels good, and I'm gonna feel even better when he's looking nice and handsome, you know. So all the people who didn't want to drive my car because it's like, oh, it wasn't this, it wasn't that, well, remember, back then you didn't want him. Now he's hot, y'all can't have him. So keep you guys posted. We're gonna come back with the finished version. So the next time you see this video, I'm actually gonna come back in maybe about a week or two, I think. So let's see how long that goes. But we're gonna have a little time skip, and I will just continue from picking the car up. But at the moment, I am getting ready to head over and drop him off. I have some pictures here, but what I will do is I'll just give you guys a quick walk around so you guys can remember. Show you guys all the damage. And here's a crazy thing for you guys. My wife was driving him and somebody hit the back. So we're getting this whole new bumper. See that? That's out. We're getting that done. We got the sun damage across the board, all that. We got sun damage on top. You can kind of see it. Sun damage, all that. Obviously, man, years in the making, man. Years in the making. Sun damage. Couple cracks here. So this actually is inside here. So I just can't get that out. Y'all already know. And yeah, it's going down. Cleaning him up. So take a look now, because the next time you see him, he will be shiny. Even these lights, getting these lights updated. I can't wait. So anyway, guys, see you guys in the next video. Next video is when I pick him back up, looking all nice and shiny. All right, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are happy for me, because I'm pretty happy. All right, guys, be good. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. All right, guys, peace.